Hello, my name is Avery with Online Income Network. Recently, I made a video on how you could create a Facebook business page, but in that video, I did not show off how you can promote that page with Facebook ads. And I was curious because I wanted to also see how much my channel would grow using only $20. Now, I didn't use $20, I only used $15. Now, why I'm only using $15? Because if you're like me, you ain't got like $100, you ain't got $500 to just be dropping on Facebook ads. Sometimes you can only use with what you got, and we got 15. So what I'm going to do in this video is show you how to create a Facebook ad and show you my results from it. Before I get started, I want to say that you will need to start an account with Facebook's Ad Center. I'll be going over that in a different video, but once you complete that, you will be able to use ads on Facebook and Instagram. Right now I'm on my business page and you can see a blue tab that says promote on the left. I want to click on that. After that, you see a page pop up that says, how would you like to grow your business? I'm going to go to promote your page, but in later videos, I'll go over every single one of these options here. After that, you can see an ad creation page pop up. On the top, you can see that there is a format and it says choose the type of image or video format that you would like to use in the ad. And you can see that I'm on a single image, but you can also use a slideshow or you can use a video for your ad as well. You can browse your library on your own computer, or you can use free stock images that Facebook has up here. Right below that is the text, which will be the text that's in your ad. On the right, you can see a preview of how your Facebook ad will look. Facebook has made a default ad for me to start with, and you can see that it says connect with Online Income Network. For the purposes of this video and another one that I'm going to be working on, I'm going to leave this ad as is, because in a separate video, I want to find out how much of a difference it makes to have Facebook's generated ad versus having your own customized ad. Now, going below text, you have audience. And I have three options. I have people you choose through targeting, I have main, and I have audience one. Now, main and audience one are two different categories that I already made before doing this video. So you're not going to have those. So you'll have people you choose through targeting. And on the left of that, you can see edit. So what I'm going to do is edit that. In the edit audience, you can see the gender, the age, location, detailed targeting, and then at the bottom, you can see your potential audience size. Here is where you'll want to really narrow down on who your audience is and where they are. So I know my audience age is between 18 to 40-ish. I know my locations in the US, but I want to expand a little bit to Canada, United Kingdom, and India. My detailed targeting, I know I want it to be in the home business and self-employment, but I might also put in a few more categories just to make sure I get as many people as I can while still targeting my initial group. So after that, I'm gonna go ahead and click save. So I'm gonna go down to duration and budget. There's a option where you can run the ad continuously, but I'm not gonna do that. I just want this to be 4 days, $5 a day to make it $20 in 4 days. Right under it, you can see the daily budget is $5. It says actual amount spent daily may vary, and the estimated amount is about 98 to 202 likes per day, which I'm perfectly fine with. At the bottom, I have my payment method, which I can change if necessary, but I'm fine with what it is. So I'm going to go ahead and click submit. After the ad is finished processing, you can see on the bottom left that it says a little ad pop up that says your ad is in review, and we will let you know when your ad has been approved. So now all I have to do is wait and see the results. But if at any point I want to change or edit anything in my ad, I can do so. Once clicking submit, the ad will go back into review, but the review doesn't really take that long. Okay, so it's been more than 4 days. It's probably been like almost 2 months. But I do have the results, and let's just focus on that, right? So I'm on my business page, and from here, what I want to do is go to more so I can go to the Ad Center. And we can see that my ad is right here in the middle, and it says page likes completed. It says like and follow the page because I ended up switching the ad text on the last day. Not that it mattered, and I'll tell you why in a second. But right now we got the page likes was 338 and people reach was 4.7 thousand, which was, the reach was pretty good for the amount of money I spent. And the page likes, I thought they were okay, but you be the judge of that. Let's go ahead and click on it. And we can see performance at the top. It says you spent 15.66 over 4 days. Page likes were 338. People reach was 4,745. And the cost per page like was 5 cents. And that's activity with the engagement on Facebook being page likes, then a comment, then a share, which comment and share was absolutely terrible. And the fact that it was pretty much all Facebook generated, is probably why. But let's go to audience. Of course, it says the same thing. The ad reached this many people in your audience. The people that was reached was a lot of men and basically no women. You got people between 18 to 44, really. Ain't got no women from 45 up, which I'm not surprised. You got like a couple people from 54. And it mainly stayed around 18 to 34, with 25 to 34 being the most. But 18 to 24 being close second. Okay, so let's go ahead and go to placements. So newsfeed on the mobile app took the majority of it with 88%. Then you got a newsfeed on the mobile web. And then following last is newsfeed on desktop computers. Let's go to locations. Okay, so you see clearly the top 5 are from India. Now you see the audience name, right? The audience name, it says that because it's all the actual locations I put in for this ad to go to. Now apparently it just decided to delete Canada, United States, and Europe because all this looks like India. Going back over here to the left, we got details. The status was completed. The objective was page likes. Daily budget $5. Amount spent $15.66. If I go to show all, you'll see the duration, which is 4 days. You'll see the time. You see the day that it started, the day that it ended. Yeah, I might as well just show it. There you go. Date that it ended. You got the date that was created, and then right under that, right here, you got the creator, which is me, and then right below that, you got PayPal payment method. You got the payment method, which has my email, that's right. I'm not scrolling down because I don't feel like whiting that out right now. So that's everything. That's how my experiment went for this. Overall, I think it did okay, except for the fact it didn't really go outside of India. I don't understand why that is yet, but I will figure that out. And this was the first portion of this other video that I'm going to do, which I kind of already stated, but I'm going to be making a video which has the Facebook generated ad versus my own custom ad that I'm going to put some more effort into. And I want to compare and see how those, stack up against each other. So be on the lookout for that. Hopefully you like the information. If it was useful to you, please like, subscribe, and share with a friend. Let me know if you're going to end up using Facebook ads for your Facebook business page.